Hi, I am Dr. Sulata Shenoy, psychologist and director, Turning Point, Center for Psychological Assessments, Therapies and Counseling, Jayanagar, Bengaluru. All of us go through life with certain ups and downs, particularly in our physical health, which is after all prone to illness, sickness, disability, disease, etc. So how can one come to a good lifestyle which is healthy and productive? And how is it that some of us can regain our health in a very short time, even from the most debilitating of medical conditions, and some of us seem to be bogged down with even the smallest of ailments? I would say that much of it is in the mind. The mind and the body are intimately connected. So positive thinking can help to heal, and research has time and again proved that one should have a positive attitude so that we can help the body to repair and heal itself. So through positive thinking, one can bring about a total change in one's attitude to the illness, be more accepting of it, look at the self-limiting options that are available to the disease. One should endure the pain knowing that it is temporary in nature. One of the sages, I believe, was asked, who was suffering from third stage cancer, whether he is suffering and whether there is pain. So he said, certainly there is pain, but I am not suffering. So he had made up his mind not to give in to the negative aspects of pain, to endure it, and thereby to accept what is happening to his body. That is what we need to inculcate, a positive attitude, so that we can endure the physical discomfort or the pain that happens during the healing process, and also keep away the many of the diseases and disorders that come our way. You would be finding that when you are feeling low and depressed and negative, you seem to attract a lot of the common ailments such as cough, cold, etc., which seem to come to your way very easily. And when you are not stressed, or when you are happy, and when you are jubilant about something, all the same ailments seem to go away. So one needs to understand that having a negative attitude towards oneself or others will certainly interfere in the natural process of healing of the body, and one needs to inculcate a positive attitude. So what are the benefits of having a positive attitude towards healing? One is increased lifespan. The second is improving the quality of life. You can appreciate more things and you can enjoy many of the good things in life. Third is you will be kept away from many of the diseases and disorders that seem to afflict others around you, and you will be able to enjoy life to the fullest. This is not to say that one needs to disregard or ignore what is happening to the body. Look on it as part of the larger picture. Life is all about pleasure and pain that takes sides at different points of time. So if one looks at life like that, one will have the endurance that is necessary for us to tide over the difficult time. Another important thing that people who have gone through pain with a positive attitude is that you can learn something from the pain. Many who have survived diseases and disability and disorders say that they have learned something valuable, a very valuable life lesson from what they have gone through, whether it is in terms of patience, whether it is in terms of appreciating oneself, or having good relationship with others, or their own outlook on life would have changed for the better. So certainly develop a positive attitude and you'll find how life changes for you.